सो अगर हम पुणे में हैं और अगर हम योगेश से ना मिले तो इसका मतलब यही है कि आगरा गए और ताजमहल से ना मिले. Fucking tired.
I never stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try.
Friends, hi, this is Nitin Soni here, and we are going to Pune for our Superpower Author Workshop. Today is the 15th of November, and the workshop is happening tomorrow in Pune and then in Mumbai. And in this program, this I guess this is something that we have been doing for a lot of years now. The book publishing house at Veeranathan Books. I think this is what the real business is. And once we land in Pune later, we'll be roaming around the city. Who? Me and my friend Punish. Well, I'm sure you know Punish as well, right? So Punish has been the, he's the one who has been instrumental in whatever it is that we have been doing. So we are sitting here at the Pune airport waiting for the flight, and the flight is delayed. Punish, as always.
Yeah, the flight is delayed and we are waiting for here for about 25 minutes. Let's see.
25 minutes it's been, and let's see, get there. How's the weather in Pune? Daily weather, you want to say something about the daily
Oh,
weather?
it's smoggy today. It's very smoggy here.
I don't know what's the future have in store for us in Delhi, but for sure, I mean, it's pretty difficult to live in this city. बताओ. It was a call from my son earlier. Well, we can't stay away from each other for long, and he makes it a point to call me wherever I am and wherever I go. This bonding with your family members, I think it's absolutely important, isn't it? I mean, I'm sure you do have bonding with your family. So I'm going to miss him, no doubt. Let me call him again. Finally, in the flight, after waiting for almost 2 hours. It can't get better than that.
Ladies and gentlemen, boarding is now complete. Requesting all around persons to deplane as we will be closing doors shortly for departure. Thank you. Food by Vistara. We loved it. An incredible flight journey comes to an end, and we have finally landed in Pune. Can you see that? There it is, a beautiful weather. where I love Pune, and I've always loved Pune. It's always an amazing experience coming to Pune. और अब Pune वालों तैयार हो जाओ because I'm in Pune. What do you say about Pune?
Yeah.
You're in Pune?
Yes, finally.
Once again?
Finally.
I mean, Pune keeps calling us again and again, and we can't say no to it. We'll be coming back again and again. But Abhi, let us enjoy the weather of Pune.
Is 29 degrees Celsius. You may now use your mobile.
Let's get to our destination.
पुणे में लैंड करो और आते ही अगर तसल्ली से बैठ के कुछ खाओ ना तो पुणे आने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, बाय द वे, राइट पुनीश?
Yes, absolutely. Having this Tennessee omelette.
It's something that we always do, kind of a ritual. So we land in Pune, we actually sit down here at the airport and we eat something. It actually helps. थोड़ा सा एक फील लेते हैं उस सिटी का. निकलेंगे सिटी में बाद में, पहले एक बार फील तो ले ले कि लैंड हो चुके हैं ना, और थोड़ा सा And after enjoying the city for almost the entire day, we have reached our hotel. Finally, Punish, you feel a bit tired?
Yeah.
There we are in the hotel now. We're gonna rest a little bit and then get out to enjoy the city a little more. Thank you.
Okay, we are here in Kalyani Nagar. We are here in Domino's. We are here to meet our friend Yogesh.
So, अगर हम पुणे में हैं और अगर हम योगेश से ना मिले तो इसका मतलब यही है कि आगरा गए और ताजमहल से ना मिले। तो आइए हमारे ताजमहल से मिलिए योगेश। So Yogesh is my childhood friend and we did see it together, friends. So this gang of 3 people has been together for many years now and it's going to continue for many more years to come. तो अगर पुणे आए और अगर ताजमहल से ना मिले तो फिर क्या किया? और हम यहाँ एंजॉय कर रहे हैं डोमिनोज में डोमिनोज पिज्जा। दगड़ू सेठ मंदिर पुणे की शान, और उसके सामने अगर ये मैंगो लस्सी नहीं पी तो क्या किया?
Hi, so it's 9:05 at this moment and we are here at Hotel Park Estate Pune and we have 20 participants right now. Nitin is inside having a look at the final setup.
So these are the things that you can stay motivated from as to why you can write a book. But this is my favorite. This sentence is my favorite. And I say it over and over again. Can somebody read this for me, please? Can somebody at the back read it for me, please?
Writing is one of the quickest, surest, and smartest way to become a brand, build business, and make money.
Great, sir. After that, you'll be sitting there. Good. Let's give him a round of applause. That's exactly what I've been saying since morning to you. You got to write a book because this is one of the quickest, surest, and the smartest way to become a brand, build business, and make money. Anybody interested here? Anybody interested here for this? Good. don't say that. So the Superpower author session in Pune is going live right now here, and I'm absolutely excited to share all of the things with the participants here. Great, and I'm looking forward to be there in Mumbai tomorrow. Hey friends, भाई पुणे में आज हवा बड़ी बेहतरीन चल रही है, सेशन बेहतरीन चल रहा है, समा बेहतरीन है और साथ में जो कंपनी है ये भी बेहतरीन है और मज़ा आ रहा है पुणे में. आई कांट बिलीव विल बी गोइंग बैक. आई एम गोइंग टू मुंबई टुडे इवनिंग. आई वांट टू स्पेंड अ लॉट मोर टाइम हियर इन पुणे, बट वर्क इज़ वर्क, राइट? सो जितना भी वक्त मिले उतना बेहतर है. बट पुणे, इट्स अमेजिंग. द वेदर हेयर और जो हवा चलती है वो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. आई एम एंजॉयिंग माई स्टे हियर इन पुणे.
What time will we be back? What time is it right now? 1:10. So let's be back by about 1:40 am. So let's take at least a 30 minutes break. At least a 30 minutes break. If you have any questions, I can talk to you. After 30 minutes, we'll carry on with how you can write the book in 21 days, publish it, and hit the bestseller mark. Good to go? Yes. How's it been going so far? Super. Looking forward to see you again then. Enjoy your lunch.
Right. So this is the midway of the session, and we are done. The participants are enjoying their lunch, and immediately post lunch, I'm going to be sharing with them about publishing, branding, and marketing, and all of it. The session has been going fantastic, and we'll be heading for lunch now, me and Puneet, and we'll come back with bang on content.
Wants to eventually convert these ideas and the learnings in the form of a book, so that anybody who is still relying on his destiny and doesn't believe the fact that he can rewrite his destiny can do so with the help of the learning that I've shared in the book. Friends, would it be great if you join me today to welcome here none other than Mr. Kishore Chaubey himself to share his ideas and the book journey with you? Would that be good? Then give him a big round of applause, friends. Kishore. Kishore Chaubey, I met him in the session, and this is what we together came up with. Rewrite the destiny.
So author Kishore Chaubey is sharing his experiences in the workshop.
Good to go? Are you enjoying it so far? Was that some sort of value addition? What sort of a guest was that? Great. Thank you very much. I'll see you after 15 minutes, please.
So we just finished the second last session of Superpower Author Workshop in Pune. We are about to finish it in the post this break. The session is going to be done. I think participants are happy, and more than them, I am happy but a bit tired. But I'm excited to end the session. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kishore Chaubey, and I am author of this book, Rewrite Your Destiny. So this is my book written and published last year in 2018. Last year I attended one workshop. Workshop was conducted by Mr. Nitin Soni. He is a founder of Adyan Book, and I got inspired and I decided I will write a book, and within the next 2 months my book got published, within the next 2 months. And this book has many benefits. My publishing book has many benefits. One of the benefit, simple question. There is no big science. If I am an author, and if I know I am an author and I have published my book, and by increasing the productivity, everything in my life changed. So first benefit I got from publishing my book, image increase, self-image. Self-image means what you think about yourself. Second, it helped me a lot of building my brand, my personal brand. And this Adyan books, people help me a lot.
In case you are looking forward to sign up for this, you need to commit with 3999 and no more than 10 authors will be able to get this. So please note that it would be difficult for us to work with more than 10 authors. Punish, can you wave your hand once again? Punish is there. In case you are interested, all you have to do, last page of this brochure, the last page of this brochure, please fill this up. Please fill this up, both sections, and keep one with you and give one to Punish. Keep one with you, give one to Punish. Punish is going to give you the countersigned copy with the confirmation that this is the amount that we have received. You can pay this amount in cash, you can pay this amount by your card. He's carrying a swipe machine. And once we go back on Monday to Delhi, in case you have the title ready and you want us to start work on the cover page right away, in case we can do that for you. In case you do not want to wait for the 2-day workshop and you are ready and pumped up, we can do that for you. In case you want to wait, we're more than happy. There is no problem. Now I'm looking forward to meet some of you again in Mumbai on 7th and 8th of the December. Thank you very much. Let's give her a big hand, please. Thank you.
Last question.
I take it personally.
What if
We need to empty the room. Let's take it personally.
So what if we are ready with our own cover page design?
Okay.
Our own
No discount on price. All the services, if you're ready with the cover page design, the designer will still have to fix the entire margins, put the different stuffs on the cover and make it ready in a printable format. Anyways, the designing team will have to work. In case your cover is ready, that's good, but still we'll have to work on it. That's all what I wanted to share with you. In case you have any questions, please come to me and answer them one-on-one. Thank you very much. Punish is what you need to approach to give the form and sign up. Looking forward to see you again. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So we have completed the Pune session. As you can see, I'm a bit tired now. We'll be heading to Mumbai now to conduct tomorrow's session. I hope to see you tomorrow then. Bye for now.
टाइम हो रहा है एग्जैक्ट रात के 12 बज रहे हैं और हम पूना मुंबई हाईवे पे हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू मुंबई. वी हैव ए वर्कशॉप टुमारो, so we are just having tea. We are on a break for 10 minutes and then we'll move on.
इस बार हमने वो किया है जो हम नॉर्मली नहीं करते. वी ऑलवेज ट्राई एंड ट्रैवल टू पुणे एंड मुंबई एट डिफरेंट टाइम्स. एक साथ कभी नहीं ट्राई किया. इस बार ये थोड़ा सा चैलेंज लिया and it was indeed a challenge. Yeah, Puneet, it wasn't easy.
It wasn't easy. It's very difficult.
अब पार्टिसिपेंट्स को ये अंदाज़ा भी नहीं है कि जो कल सेशन लेने वाले हैं वो पुणे से इस वक्त हाईवे पे चल के उनके लिए आ रहे हैं. We are fucking tired. ये चाय का एक कप है हाथ में और बचा हुआ रास्ता है जो काटना है. I'm not sure if you'll be able to take sleep at all. जाके होटल में स्टे करना है, कुछ एक घंटे की नींद लेनी है और सुबह फिर निकल चलना है मौला की राह पर.
Superpower Author Workshop in Mumbai is going on right now, and we are heading for the first tea break. सेशन के बीच एक छोटा सा टी ब्रेक. with sugar?
And I wish I had met Nitin before. It would have saved me 7 years of my life, so much agony I went through, so much intellectual, brainstorming I had to do, and to how to put the book together. Because for me, it was my baby, waiting to be delivered.
So finally, leaving from Mumbai, we're at the airport right now. आ रहे हैं दिल्ली वापस तुम्हारे गेस्ट चैम्बर में. इंतज़ार करिएगा हमारा. कुछ प्रदूषण भरी सांसें हमें भी लेनी है, धुएं भरी सांसें हमें भी लेनी है, या फिर एक काम करें यहाँ से थोड़ी साफ हवा ले आए. So we are late, heading for international departure. It's an international flight to JFK. We are really late, and we're a little bit worried if we'll be able to catch the flight or not. Let's see. Hope for the best.
जूम इन कर देना ना, फिर मैं ऐसे करूँगा तो मेरा हाथ
सेल्सियस है। सीट बेल्ट संकेत बंद किए जाने तक कृपया सीट पर ही बैठे रहें और ऊपर लगे सामान कक्ष ना खोलें।
We have reached Delhi.
अब आप मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग कर
What's
सकते
the
हैं।
time?
Almost, I guess it's 11 p.m.
11.
I'm watching this movie, Sachin, a million films. Finally, back to Delhi. बेहतरीन ट्रिप रहा. I think it was a successful one, wasn't it?
Yes,
It
absolutely.
was an absolute successful trip. So we covered Mumbai and Pune both in one go for the very first time. Was a bit hectic, but I think कुछ भी बड़ा करने को निकलो, अच्छा करने को निकलो, तो तैयार रहो उसके लिए. अब क्या करना है, जाके रेस्ट करना है, आराम से एक दिन रेस्ट होगा एंड विल बी चार्ज अप अगेन. पुणे कवर किया, मुंबई कवर किया, फ्राइडे निकले, सैटरडे सेशन किया पुणे में, सैटरडे की रात वापस मुंबई गए, वापस ऐसे वी वेंट टू मुंबई सुबह 4 बजे पहुंचे. उसके बाद 2-1 घंटे की नींद ली और थकान पूरी उतरी भी नहीं थी कि हम दूसरे सेशन के लिए रवाना हो गए. मुंबई में दूसरा सेशन किया. पूरे में आई गेस देयर वाज अबाउट 35 पार्टिसिपेंट्स. मुंबई में भी हैड 40+. But I guess the energy in both the cities were electrifying. It was amazing. People, the participation was amazing. In terms of business and sign up, it was successful and great. Now we'll be going back again on 7th and 8th to conduct the session once again for these participants, those who have signed up with us. Now we are back to Delhi. Delhi में आती पहली फीलिंग ये आई है कि ये स्मेल क्या आ रही है. जो पहली फीलिंग है वो ये है कि ये स्मेल क्या है, और एक थोड़ा सा एंक्शियसनेस और नर्वसनेस है कि एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकल के मौसम कैसा मिलने वाला है. That's pretty much it. Back to Delhi. Happy to be home in an hour or so. और मिलेंगे फैमिली से, इंतज़ार करना. Right. Thank you very much.